They say when one door closes, another opens. Well, that door has finally opened for me.
Hey, I'm Tammy, aka Jeep Momma, and for those of you who have been following me on my Jeep journey, you know I took a huge leap of faith and I moved to Cheyenne, Wyoming. I picked Cheyenne for many reasons, and one of them was for this right here. I was looking for a community with a well-respected Jeep shop because you know what? I really love my Jeep and I wanted my Jeep to get the best care possible wherever I move to. Back in 2013 when I first bought my Jeep, it changed my life. And man, has it been a journey. And now that journey is getting even better. I am the new Director of Sales and Marketing here at TNT Customs, and I'm going to give you a tour so you can meet my new family.
That's the product that comes out of 2 pieces of flat steel and some tube. I'm Steve.
Steve? Oh,
Yep.
Steve.
Even
You
with
got a name tag.
I
I don't even have a name tag yet.
Live their dreams out, and when I can help them facilitate that, that's what makes my day.
That's awesome. Perfect. Meet Bob and Mary, owners of TNT Customs and 4 Exploring. I met Bob and Mary on the 4 Exploring overland trip this past fall along the northern rim of the Grand Canyon. Links to those videos are in the description below. TNT Customs started out in 2005 with designing and manufacturing Jeep parts, and over the years they have expanded to custom Jeep builds, auto repairs, bed lining, undercoating, plus so much more. Head over to their YouTube channel, link in the description below, and hit the subscribe button to follow along because in the coming weeks, we will be sharing more on the TNT Customs TV YouTube channel, what they do, and you'll get a chance to get to know my Jeep family a little better. For more Jeep Life with Jeep Momma, head over to my blog at jeepmomma.com.